Taking a look at XRP from the previous video, we can see that XRP is still actually getting stuck at the downtrend, which would suggest that as of right now, technically XRP is still bearish because you can see that we're getting stuck at the downtrend that started back in January. Now, if XRP is going to remain bullish on this little stretch, we have to get over and stay over 244, which is where we are right now as of time of recording. But again, because we're unable to break this downtrend, it would suggest that sellers are still present, and my guess would be in the next couple of hours we'll either see a move up or a move down, and obviously that will confirm that the price is either bullish or bearish. Right now it is actually 50-50. But again, you might have to favor the bears because the downtrend has been holding, especially if you raise the time frame to the daily time frame. You can see a clearer picture where it does look like the sellers are starting to come in. So generally, we would argue that as of right now, XRP may still actually be considered bearish because you are getting stuck at the downtrend. Now, if you do break the downtrend, that would be a good step in the right direction. You'd be looking for a move up to 263 and then ultimately 294. In my opinion, if and when XRP does break 294, that would signal that a new high would be in play, potentially as high as $5 and maybe even $4. But again, if we're actually unable to break this downtrend, then the next move would be 226. Could you bottom there and then break out? Yes. And if it falls below 226, then that would confirm that this is another lower high and a larger move down back to the low would be in play. However, if you zoom out, we've been making the case over the past couple of videos that this is actually your 236 retracement, which would indicate that as long as XRP is over $2, it is actually bullish consolidation, which means that even if XRP does come down here and it bounces, you're going to get some bullish continuation at some point as long as it stays over $2. However, breaking below $2 would confirm that this is actually a top, and a larger move down to 130 would be in play, in my opinion.